Hello and welcome to We Express Sports. And we are a few days away from the Great Indian Festival. जिसका नाम है the Indian Premier League. And for that, we are going to be looking at each and every team, and we are going to be looking at how they are standing currently and what can we expect from them. And today, the team we are going to be talking about, which Rohan has very obviously made it very obvious with his t-shirt, and we're going to be talking about Kings 11 Punjab. Kings 11 Punjab. We all remember the first season where they managed to get under the captaincy of Yuvraj Singh into the semi-finals, and then it was into the 2014 season under the captaincy of George Bale where they fell only one step short to winning the title. But if we remove those two seasons, there hasn't been much to talk about Kings 11 Punjab. They have been mostly in this phase of rebuilding teams, chopping and changing captains. So it would be an interesting thing to watch out. However, that's all in history, and let's see what Kings 11 Punjab has to offer in this season. To discuss that, we have Rohan Kolati and Akshay Kadam, and let's talk about the team composition. And Rohan, I'm going to start with you. You have been following Kings 11 for a while, and if you look at the team composition, and the Indian players, as we know in the IPL, are very important for each and every team. And if you look at the Kings 11 Punjab side and pick out, they just say 4 Indian players who I will expect, to play 70 to 80% of the games. Who are these 4 players do you think will be constantly on this side?
I think firstly it has to be the captain KL Rahul, top of the order,
Yes.
important player. अच्छा परफॉर्म
Right.
करना पड़ेगा एंड द टीम विल डिपेंड ऑन हिम. ऊपर से अच्छे स्टार्ट देना एंड ऑरेंज कैप जीतेंगे केएल राहुल, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. क्योंकि केएल राहुल तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट हो चुके हैं. फिर मयंक अग्रवाल आई थिंक इम्पोर्टेंट सीजन होगा उनके लिए. नंबर 3 पे
Correct.
मोस्टली बैटिंग करते हुए नजर आएंगे एंड आई थिंक इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट सीजन फॉर हिम ऑल्सो टू प्रूव कि ही डिजर्व्स टू बी इन द T20 सेटअप ऑल्सो. टेस्ट में अच्छा किया है और ये आईपीएल उनके लिए उस हिसाब से इम्पोर्टेंट होगा. बॉलिंग में जो मोहम्मद शमी विकेट टेकर,
Correct.
हमेशा रन्स कंसीड करते हैं लेकिन विकेट्स लेते हैं, जो इम्पोर्टेंट
Correct.
पार्ट होता है आईपीएल में. आई थिंक यूएई की पिचेस में इम्पोर्टेंट होगा कि वो अपनी बढ़िया सी बॉलिंग करे, फास्ट बॉलिंग, बाउंसर्स करने की कोशिश करे. यॉर्कर्स उन्होंने इम्प्रूव किया डेथ बॉलिंग में, तो वो इम्पोर्टेंट रहेगा.
Exactly.
फोर्थ मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है आई थिंक, बट आई वुड वांट कृष्णप्पा गौतम टू प्ले मोस्ट ऑफ द मैचेस.
The all-rounder.
जी हाँ, बिकॉज उनके पास इंडियन ऑलराउंडर्स एज सच नहीं है. नंबर 7 पे आई थिंक आई सी कृष्णप्पा गौतम, बिकॉज यूएई की पिचेज है, उन्हें उछाल मिलेगा थोड़ा सा कुछ पिचेज में, उनकी स्पिन अच्छी है, प्लस वो नीचे लंबी हिटें लगा सकते हैं. तो आई थिंक नंबर 7 पे आई सी कृष्णप्पा गौतम एज एन इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट इन दैट सेट.
The 3 picks you said are very obvious, likes of KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal, and Mohammad Shami. But if we talk about Krishnappa Gautam, 2018 with the Rajasthan Royals, he had a decent IPL. He was very impressive in the match against Mumbai Indians when he came down the order and won the match for the Rajasthan Royals. 2019, it was a bit of an up and down, but he did really well in the domestic season after that.
Yeah.
You see him performing really well. But do you think KL Rahul will trust him enough to play him all majority of the games?
Yeah, because I don't find any good player to play at number 7 in that side. Because वो एक ऑलराउंडर का स्पॉट है जो उनके पास फिल करने के लिए और ज़्यादा प्लेयर्स नहीं है. पहले रविचंद्रन अश्विन थे जो थोड़ा सा नीचे बैट से दे देते थे, आपको रन्स दे देते थे थोड़े बहुत, एंड रिलायबल स्पिनर ऑब्वियसली. एंड अगेन पावर प्ले के अंदर कृष्णप्पा गौतम हैज एन एबिलिटी, ही कैन बोल, जो अश्विन काम करते थे पहले किंग्स 11 के लिए. जो आई थिंक और स्टार्टिंग में हर टीम चाहेगी कि पहले 6 ओवर में वो कुछ स्पिन से स्टार्ट करके दूसरी टीम को, मतलब बेयरस्टो को आउट करना है, या
Correct.
बाकी फॉरेन प्लेयर्स जो स्ट्रगल करते हैं. तो आई थिंक कृष्णप्पा गौतम विल बी अ की प्लेयर इन दिस एक्साइटिंग.
Moving on from the Indian players, let's talk about the overseas players. Now, 4 overseas players, that is maximum that any squad can play, we know that. And they did made a couple of purchases in the auction. They got the likes of Chris Jordan, Sheldon Cottrell, the all-rounder Jimmy Neesham, and as well as the very famous Glenn Maxwell, who was explosive in that one season of 2014 in the UAE. And if you look at it, of all the players that they have right now, if you have to go ahead and see, okay, you know what, these 4 will be playing most of my games. So who do you think will be those 4 overseas for 7 Punjab?
आई फील मतलब तुम किंग्स 11 पंजाब को देखोगे तो उनका बैटिंग ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ है और हेवी है बैटिंग. तो आई वुड focus on the batting side of it.
Right.
And मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता शेल्डन कॉटरेल और क्रिस जॉर्डन को जगह मिलेगी, क्योंकि पिच थोड़ा स्लो है और मुझे लगता है बैट्समैन को ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज देनी चाहिए, मतलब उसे एडवांटेज रहेगा. सो मेरे 4 जो ये प्लेयर्स रहेंगे फॉरेनर्स, ग्लेन मैक्सवेल जैसे आपने कहा कि काफ़ी एक्सप्लोसिव रहे हैं और मतलब ऑब्वियसली अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है बैट्समैन, बट व्हेन ही प्लेज ही इज अमेजिंग. मतलब वो टॉप बैट्समैन है, जब भी उनका फॉर्म रहता है वो टॉप बैट्समैन में आते हैं, तो वो एक है. और एक्सप्लोसिव स्टार्ट देने के लिए आपके पास क्रिस गेल है, तो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट क्रिस गेल. मतलब आप T20 में तो ये लेजेंड है, तो इस लेजेंड को तो तुम्हें स्टार्ट करवाना ही है. जो ग्लैमर लाता है, जो शो लाता है क्रिस गेल, तो वो कोई और बैट्समैन नहीं लाता मेरे हिसाब से IPL में. तो वो एक है
यूनिवर्सल बॉस.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, यूनिवर्सल बॉस. और ऐसे स्लो ट्रैक्स पे आई थिंक मुजीबुर रहमान एक बेहतरीन ऑप्शन रहेगा स्पिन बॉलिंग में. और बैलेंस बना रहे इसके लिए आई थिंक जिमी नेशम शुड बी द 4th चॉइस. आई थिंक इट्स अ कंट्रोवर्शियल टेक, मतलब लोग बोलेंगे कि शेल्डन कॉटरेल या क्रिस जॉर्डन शायद वो प्लेस डिजर्व करते हैं या वो प्लेस में खेलनी चाहिए, बट आई थिंक ऑलराउंडर would be a asset in such conditions, and Jimmy Neesham is an experienced all-rounder, so I think he'll be a perfect fit in that side. Bowling side thoda
So
weak
you talked about
but it's important to know your strengths and play by your strengths. So I think Kings 11 Punjab का strength उनका batting है, so they should play according to that.
now you talked about the strength of the Kings 11 Punjab as the batting. Rohan, do you agree that the strength of the team is their batting and not the all-rounders and the bowling department?
Yeah, I think I agree with Akshay कि strength तो उनकी batting भी है without a doubt, but I disagree with Akshay on the aspect he's preferring Jimmy Neesham over a bowler like a Cottrell or Jordan, because I think उनकी bowling फिर weak नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा weak हो जाती है, because उनके पास Indian pacers में मोहम्मद शमी और ईशान पोरेल है. Again Shami is a proven player, experienced, but again runs concede करते हैं, भले विकेट लेते हो. But second is Ishan Porel, like he's too young right now, and they have to trust him because they don't have too many fast bowling options. तो वहाँ पे थोड़ी stability और death bowling के को नजर में रखते हुए, I think they have to play Chris Jordan, someone who has proven himself in the biggest level, international cricket में भी इंग्लैंड के लिए one of the main death bowlers हैं. तो क्रिस जॉर्डन अगर वहाँ उस सेटअप में होते हैं तब मुझे उनकी बॉलिंग कंपैरेटिवली बेटर लगती है, बट इट इज स्टिल वीक विदाउट अ डाउट. अगर हम बाकी टीम से कंपेयर करें तो इनका बॉलिंग इज एन इशू, बिकॉज ईशान पोरेल हैज टू स्टेप अप. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर उन पे होगा, बिकॉज नहीं है तो फिर टीम का बैलेंस खराब हो रहा है. तो जिमी नीशम को मैं नहीं देखता इस साइड में स्टार्ट करते हुए. एंड देयर सेकंड वीकनेस एंड स्ट्रेंथ इज ग्लेन मैक्सवेल. उनका अनप्रेडिक्टेबल नेचर, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जैसे शॉट्स खेल के वो आउट रहे. आई डोंट थिंक किंग्स 11 पंजाब का मैनेजमेंट विल बी हैप्पी टू सी हिम प्ले लाइक दैट. वही उनकी स्ट्रेंथ है, बिकॉज वैसे ही वो रन बनाते हैं, बट उनके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर होगा इस टीम के मिडल ऑर्डर को संभालने का, एंड ही हैज टू फिनिश गेम्स फॉर देम. सो आई थिंक वही उनकी स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेस है.
So Akshay, like Rohan said, like batting is their strength, and now if you have to build on that strength, don't you think someone like a Nicholas Puran, who has been in good form and decent form, don't you think including someone like that would be helpful instead of maybe dropping Maxwell for say?
But personally you can't drop a batsman like Glenn Maxwell. मतलब he is a match winner मेरे हिसाब से. उसने तुम्हें मैच जीता है और वो एक गैम्बल ही है. I guess it's a gamble with Glenn Maxwell. It's either here or here. मतलब there's no gray areas with Glenn Maxwell. It's either black or white. तो यार Glenn Maxwell पे गैम्बल करना ही चाहिए. He is that batsman and उसका परफॉर्मेंस हमने देखा है UAE में. उनके रिकॉर्ड्स काफ़ी बेहतरीन रहे हैं. तो I think they would be happy to bet on Glenn Maxwell this season. Kings 11 Punjab.
And Rohan, if do you agree with Akshay as well? Like, would you also like prefer rather than, or would you like prefer instead of maybe dropping someone like a Mujibur Rahman, because they do have Morgan Ashwin in their ranks, And Mujib is a
Yeah,
fantastic bowler. We know that, but maybe they wanna switch to maybe getting Morgan Ashwin and Krishnappa Gautam who can bowl a little bit of and strengthen their batting further.
yeah, I think I agree with you in that aspect. अक्षय का point अच्छा है कि आप मैक्सवेल को ड्रॉप करके पूरन को नहीं ला सकते, बिकॉज अगेन वो क्योंकि आपका मतलब आप मैक्सवेल आपका मेन प्लेयर है टीम का, तो यू हैव टू बैक हिम अप फॉर अ फ्यू मैचेस. अगर वो पहले 3 मैच खराब खेलता है, यू कांट ड्रॉप हिम एंड देन, क्योंकि वो फिर पूरे टीम का मोरल डाउन हो सकता है.
Correct.
बट अगर आपको पूरन को फिट करना है, समवन हु हैज शोन हिज magical innings in the CPL as well, so you can drop Mujibur Rahman. So that's a good option, good viable option, because they have good spinners in the form of Murugan Ashwin and even that youngster Ravi Bishnoi. If you
Correct,
see,
correct.
Anil Kumble will be their coach, and Ravi Bishnoi is someone who has idolized Anil Kumble. So unki guidance mein maybe Anil Kumble would want to play someone like Ravi Bishnoi or even a Murugan Ashwin who has played in IPL before that. So there is that option of dropping Mujibur Rahman, play Nicholas Puran, strengthen your batting, someone who can finish matches, and then rely on your Indian bowler. That's a good option.
Akshay, we have seen over the years in the IPL, there's someone from the domestic circuit, someone we have never heard a name of, magically comes into the IPL. We know Paul Valtati is great century for Kings 11 Punjab against CSK. And it has been a trend. We have seen someone, just breaking into the IPL. If we have to look at this Kings 11 Punjab side, and if you want to see, one player, maybe an Indian or maybe a foreign player, who do you think that one player is to watch out for in this Kings 11 Punjab side?
I think it would be Ishan Porel. I think he'll have some responsibility with him, and with only Mohammad Shami as a recognized Indian fast bowler, Ishan Porel will get his chances. That's a thing we'll surely get to see Ishan Porel bowl for Kings 11 Punjab, and hopefully he does well for them. And I have hopes for him because he's a good fast bowler.
Okay. Same question, Rohan, for you, who do you think is player to watch out for in the Kings 11 Punjab side?
I mentioned Ravi Bishnoi. I think he's someone I'm really excited to look on. He in under 19 में अच्छा perform किया, but apart from him, Sarfaraz Khan.
Okay.
He's not a youngster anymore, I believe, but he's someone who is still not established himself in IPL. Domestic cricket में like triple hundreds बनाए हैं बंदे ने, like ये shown glimpses कि वो एक दिन में मैच बदल सकता है, and someone who can play long innings in test matches, that too destructive innings. So I believe he's like it is this platform for him. It is this year. It has to be this year for him to prove himself and even make a case for himself to be in the Indian setup.
That's an ambitious statement right over there. But so Kings 11 Punjab heavily reliant on their batting. They will be needing support from the Indian bowlers, especially, to make a case and to go into the playoffs. The likes of Ishan Porel and Ravi Bishnoi and Sarfaraz Khan, the players to watch out for. Thank you guys. I think that's it for Kings 11 Punjab. We hope that they provide some competition and get some stability in their team. And it will be interesting to watch out the Kings 11 Punjab this time. Yes, Rohan, we get you.
Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.